Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age on your Xbox account. So all you have to do this on your PC. So on your computer, launch your browser and then go to microsoft.com and select it. And then from here, click on your profile icon that appears on the top right of the screen. And then from the options that appear, select My Microsoft Account. And then give it a few seconds. Now, at this point, click on your information, and then you should find the option date of birth. Click on it. And then now from here, choose the date of birth. You can change the date of birth to suit your needs. So let's say August and that particular year. And then select on save. And that will change your date of birth, or rather it will change your age on your Xbox account. So that's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.